Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about the costs of different energy sources, including the commissioning cost per megawatt installed and the levelized cost of electricity, LCOE. Solar PV and onshore wind have commissioning costs of around $2 million per megawatt installed, while offshore wind costs $4 million per megawatt installed. Hydroelectric commissioning costs can range from $5 million per megawatt installed, while geothermal commissioning costs are typically $5 million per megawatt installed. Natural gas-fired power plants have commissioning costs of 50 cents, $1.5 million per megawatt installed. Coal-fired power plants have costs of $3 million per megawatt installed, and nuclear power plants have costs of $8 million per megawatt installed. In terms of LCOE, solar PV has a range of 3 cents to 10 cents per kilowatt hour, while onshore wind has a similar range of 3 cents to 8 cents per kilowatt hour. Offshore wind has a higher LCOE of 5 cents to 20 cents per kilowatt hour due to increased installation and maintenance costs. Hydroelectric has an LCOE range of 5 cents to 15 cents per kilowatt hour, while geothermal ranges from 4 cents to 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Natural gas-fired power plants have an LCOE range of 5 cents to 15 cents per kilowatt hour. Coal-fired power plants have a similar range and are being phased out in favor of cleaner energy sources. Nuclear power plants have an LCOE range of 5 cents to 20 cents per kilowatt hour, but with high upfront costs and significant decommissioning costs. So there you have it, a breakdown of the commissioning and the levelized cost of electricity.